Hello. Have you ever experienced long loading times or video buffering when you are trying to stream a video, watch your favorite movie or play a game? Do you regularly lose connectivity to your Wi-Fi network at home? Are network speeds so low that it takes forever to even upload a picture? Well, there's nothing more annoying than a slow internet connection and black spots in your Wi-Fi network. Your wireless router can't do everything, and Wi-Fi dead zones are unavoidable in most homes. Stop being frustrated with long loading times or video buffering. Adding Wi-Fi UltraBoost is the quickest solution to drastically increase wireless coverage across your home. No more frustration due to slow Wi-Fi and dead spots. Slow Wi-Fi speed is irritating. Internet providers want to charge you every month for crazy fees. They charge you for your modem, your router, some even make you pay for just hooking up everything to a few feet of cable. It's insane. And then they want you to pay even higher fees to increase your so-called bandwidth. With Wi-Fi UltraBoost there is no need to upgrade your Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi UltraBoost is a mini device that can solve your internet problems in seconds. It speeds your network's connection up to 300 megabits per second and doubles the Wi-Fi range. Basically, Wi-Fi UltraBoost is a portable device that grabs the signal from your router and amplifies it to reach the furthest corners of your house. Double your Wi-Fi speed today. Wi-Fi UltraBoost eliminates dead spots. It connects to your existing network and acts as a signal repeater, literally doubling your network's range. Often, the Wi-Fi signal can only reach within your four walls. Wi-Fi UltraBoost works by doubling your signal, enabling you to watch movies on Netflix without lag, stream videos or play your favorite online games. Now you won't have to worry about ping or network failures. This mini device can solve your internet problems in 3 steps. Plug the adapter into any AC outlet in your house where you have weak signal problems, about halfway in between the dead spot. Let it connect to the router you already have. That's it. Now you can enjoy fast internet in every corner of your home. Wi-Fi UltraBoost's unique characteristics make it stand out. Wi-Fi UltraBoost is a device that stands out among others because of its 4 unique characteristics. Speed: Wi-Fi UltraBoost has one of the fastest link rates among all other extenders. That's what it takes when it comes to home use and especially homes with many devices. Super easy to set up, it's easy to use, plug and play, and it does not require a CD installation. It just plugs into your power outlet, so there's no need to clear a place on the shelf for it. Universal, works with any phone, laptop or tablet, and it's compatible with any internet service provider. Simple and self-contained, it's a plug-in device without external antennas in order to get the most optimal signal and broadcast. Get super strong, lightning-fast Wi-Fi internet speeds anywhere in your house. Wi-Fi UltraBoost can immediately raise the Wi-Fi speed and increase the wireless coverage area, making it great for anyone who needs a fast Wi-Fi connection at their home or workspace. Wi-Fi UltraBoost can be especially beneficial for gamers. When it comes to gaming, any serious aficionado will tell you that a wired connection is best. While it's hard to argue against the advantages of a direct wired connection, there are serious reasons why a connection over Ethernet is difficult. Drilling holes to run cables, while tempting, may not be practical, especially in older, multi-level homes, or when renting. Therefore, wireless connection is a more practical method. Wi-Fi UltraBoost is the ideal answer to the wired or wireless dilemma, as you can use it either for stronger wireless performance or as a new Wi-Fi access point. Movie watchers. Watching a movie is what most of us first think about when we want to relax at home alone or with friends and family. After preparing everything for a relaxing time, Wi-Fi connection goes off. The pleasant and relaxing time is long gone and you end up feeling pissed off. With Wi-Fi UltraBoost none of that will happen, as it boosts the internet speed and maximizes the wireless coverage area. Enjoy movies on your smart TV or computer without any lag or buffering. Students. Fast internet and strong Wi-Fi connection is #1 priority to any student. Anyone wants to quickly search on the net and fast upload any archive or a segment. With Wi-Fi UltraBoost any of these procedures will be fun and easy. No more wasted time waiting. So is it worth it? Such a quality for this price makes us definitely say yes. This revolutionary Wi-Fi UltraBoost will set you free from the annoying internet lag. Get yours now. Just go to their official website here. Thank you so much.